Ah.
Yep.
Cool.
Right. I want my... Come on. Left foot pull. A bit further back.
What you got?
What? People. Oh, okay. That'll do. 16. Yours is independent, alright?
Yeah, I know, I'm just putting my heated seats on.
Not the fan, right, okay. Heads up. I haven't got a heads up. Oh no, of course there's nothing.
So it hasn't got it?
No. Where's my lighters? Lighters.
What lighters?
I want more wipers. These to work. They're not.
Oh, push down.
Right, we're off.
You push down on it. Like that, yeah.
Oh, let's see.
Alright.
Crap, I got this.
Look at this.
Right across. Look at this.
Oh yeah. It's the parking here. There's a blue van. It was right on the corner when I pulled in and it was difficult to turn. Oh, he's gone now.
Watch me on that side.
You're fine.
Space wise.
I'll let you know.
It's light as a feather. I'm thinking Orange is parked back there. She isn't. On that fucking windscreen. Let's go in. See?
Yeah.
Let's go in. Okay. And this one is really odd. You just take your foot off the brake and she goes. You don't need to put your foot on the throttle.
Hey.
And I'm going to have to adjust my seat. This is going to be interesting. Potholes.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness.
I thought she'd waft over them. Yeah, she's quite comfortable.
Watch out for him. Riding like a nutter.
See the engine? Yeah, the engine is screaming.
Yeah.
It's weird, isn't it?
It's nice though.
The steering wheel's offset. She's not centred.
Oh really?
Yeah, look. I've got to turn to the right, to the left.
Yeah.
I'm space-wise, I'm okay on that.
Yeah,
side, aren't I?
absolutely perfect.
Well, that was a bit quick.
Here we go, these ones.
Foot off the throttle. She's just coasting. Foot on the brake. Get a bit of regen. Coasting. This is the ones I always bottom on Orange, don't I?
Yeah. Absolutely fine.
Yeah. And she's not going to bloody die on me because there's no clutch. So she won't stall.
Nope.
Weird, eh?
Yeah, it is weird, but it's automatic for you.
Yeah, orange. Over there. It's -3. Right. I have to give her beams. 50. Oh, she's shifting. 58.
That's good. She goes.
I don't know if she's got a blind. She's got 64.
The mirrors look golden.
67, 68, 69. She's alright.
Yeah.
Quick enough.
Yeah.
Windscreen is filthy, it's disgusting. Dirty. I can't see a bloody thing out of it. It's shit. I just hate it. She's floating all over the place. God, I can't stand this. Can you feel her? She's all over the fucking road.
I like it.
I hate it.
It's smooth.
Yeah,
I'll tell you what it's made me feel though.
Seasick.
No. Made me realise I need a fucking pee.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Because it's bouncing my bladder.
Oh no. I was going to say to you, go.
I should have done. I should have done.
Oh dear. Do we have to turn around and go back?
No, keep going. I'll go in a bush.
Alright.
Find somewhere.
I thought we'd go out to Ivy Bridge. Can you
Yeah,
pass that
we'll
one?
find somewhere.
Right.
Oh, hold on.
I wish I could see out this windscreen. Awful. Awful,
Yeah.
awful, filthy, dirty. No, I don't like it. That's
No. Well, it's completely different to orange, isn't it?
complete opposite.
Very smooth, I think.
Yeah, but as a driver, I'm finding this hard work.
Yeah.
My arms are aching.
Really?
Yeah, because I can't, because she's all over the place.
Yeah. So you're holding on.
I'm holding on. I'm having to hold on. She's not direct. She's not firm. She's not. I'm scared to go in the outside lane because I haven't got the beams. I'm doing 62.
Jeez. You're alright.
Still. Can't say I've missed the gears.
Nah, you're done alright.
Yeah, it just goes. Yeah, I know, folks. I'm in a Lexus doing 57.
They just think you're an old man or a retired man.
Because by I am. Right. If I go that way, is that to the rears? Yeah. So I can see 53. Yeah. And I'd be coming up behind me now.
Yeah.
What the fucking speed are you doing? Well, I'd be in that lane.
Yeah.
56. Yeah, we'll get there. in a minute. There's one more coming.
I know what we can do.
You okay there?
I know what we can do.
What?
Turn off for Marshmallows and go for McDonald's. Not get a McDonald's, but
What, you're desperate? Are you?
yeah, do that. I'm just thinking, just in case.
Well, we can't. We should have
Right.
got off there.
No, there. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
Oh, what?
Yeah, McDonald's.
Clipperton.
Yeah, Marshmallows McDonald's just over there. And I'll run in.
Oh,
Silly me, I should have gone.
yeah.
I'm just thinking it'll be open,
So,
won't it?
Direct me. So I've got to go on the left lane.
Very left lane when you can. This is good practice for you.
Watch me. Is there somebody beside us? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Go.
I couldn't see him.
No, you're good.
there
And
was
keep
a
going, you're
guy.
clear. What have I done the camera now? I locked it with my head. There we go. Proper job, Paul. Proper job. Bloody light's changing now. I should have gone.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault. It's my fault. Getting old, isn't it?
No. What do I put her in? No, neutral or just keep
I'll
her
just
in
keep her
drive?
going. Oh, the lights are going to go in a second, aren't they?
I don't like keeping my foot on the brake.
Oh, okay. Is the camera still alright, by the way? I knocked it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's catching things.
You just press that red. Yeah, it will. You press it.
Okay.
Oh, right. Hang on. Hang on. Can't drive. Yeah, I know.
You never got a beep though, that was good. You were quick enough not to get a beep. Yeah.
I did think last night, I thought what I need is those L plates. Is it green ones?
Yeah. Yes, the pass.
Yeah.
With the P on it.
Yeah.
So people were a bit more cautious with you.
Yeah.
Nah, you're good. You're doing fine. You're driving it absolutely fine. God, I feel ridiculous. What am I like? As soon as you started moving off, I thought I should have gone.
It's left again.
Yeah, left and left.
Don't worry. It's nice having to drive.
Yeah, it's good practice for you. You're right, my side.
It's just
Got loads of room, my side. All good, all good.
Tell me how far I have to get. How far close am I to that curve?
Miles away, half a metre away.
Right, where shall I park? Anywhere?
So,
How about on here?
yeah, you
This
can go
hatch?
down one of these.
No, I was going to park on this.
Yeah, park on the hatch and I'll run in.
Okay.
Right. Oh, what bad am I? Right. I'm not running in with the camera though.
No.
God, I need to go on.